You almost didn't exist. And Venus is the proof. On Venus, the surface temperature is almost 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. The air pressure is 92 times stronger than Earth's. That is like being almost a kilometer underwater. The atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide. The clouds are made of sulfuric acid droplets. You clearly would not survive long. And here's the terrifying part. Venus and Earth started almost the same. 4.5 billion years ago, both planets formed from the same material. They're nearly the same size, nearly the same mass, and nearly the same composition. Scientists call them sister planets. For a time, Venus may even have had liquid water. That part is still being studied. So how did one become oceans, and the other become the hottest planet in the solar system? Venus orbits about 30% closer to the Sun than Earth. That means it receives significantly more solar energy. At some point, that extra heat likely caused surface water to evaporate. Water vapor traps heat. So as water evaporated, the planet got hotter. As it got hotter, more water evaporated. This is called a runaway greenhouse effect. It's a feedback loop. And once it passes a threshold, it's extremely difficult to reverse. Eventually, Venus lost its liquid water. Without oceans, there was nothing to absorb carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide built up in the atmosphere. Today, Venus's atmosphere is about 96% CO2. That traps enormous amounts of heat. That's why Venus is hotter than Mercury, even though Mercury is closer to the Sun. Earth stayed just cool enough for liquid water to remain stable. That's the difference. Liquid water absorbs carbon dioxide. It regulates temperature over long time scales. It supports chemistry that led to life. Earth stayed inside that narrow window, and Venus didn't. So, you almost didn't exist, and Venus is the proof. We are the official channel for those obsessed with space. Subscribe for more videos.